packed up, as you can see. I'm leaving the Flagstaff KOA. I just want to stop in the office and tell the ladies that I'm going to leave. We weren't clear or committed to a specific date, just in case of the wind. So I'll be right back. 49 miles to Needles, California. I'd watch their videos and they'd show this kind of stuff and I would think, oh my God, how boring. But you know what? I mean, look at that. Once you get out here, oh, figures. Once you get out here and you start seeing this stuff and the actual size of it and the colors, it is pretty darn cool. Anyway. Alright, so I just wanted to give you a little update of what's going on. I will bring you back in a little bit. Bye. I don't know if you can see it or not, but up in front of that truck in the sky is a big old airplane. And it looks like it's got like 10 or 15 other little airplanes off to the each side of each wing. Spray or whatever they're doing. Well, that was cool. Anyway, so yeah, 66 miles now until I get to Bakersfield, which was my goal. I didn't think I would make it. I mean, I hoped that I would, but I started driving at 8 this morning. It is 4 o'clock, I guess. Long drive, but it hasn't been bad. The wind has not been an issue, knock on wood, and the traffic hasn't been too bad. There's been a couple of times when I was clenching my teeth, mostly in the construction zones, because they shove both lanes, both directions of traffic into the 2 lanes. Not real fun. Anyway, so I'm doing good. Pretty anxious to get home. I was real excited when I saw the sign that said, "Welcome to California." Put a picture of that in here somewhere. Anyway, alright, I am about 1 exit away from the Mojave. Well, there's the little baby planes up there. Oh, what's going on? baby planes. They're probably huge. But anyway, all right, I'll bring you back later. I'm about an hour away from my house, and I need to take my sunglasses off. But I wanted to try and catch California sunset for you. But it's behind a bunch of almonds and an almond orchard.